Hey guys, in this video I will be showing y'all how to use Zoom. First we're going to go to our web browser, then we're going to type in zoom.com. Now if somebody is giving you a meeting ID, we're going to go to join a meeting, type in the meeting ID, it's usually a 10-digit number. We're going to click join. Now there's other two ways. We can download Zoom or we can use it through the web browser. Click the download, and then we're going to have an option right here to join from your browser, just in case you don't want to download it, right? Type in your name, click join, then it's going to have y'all join to the meeting. Use join audio by computer, so you can use your microphone. Let's leave real quick. Now if you're going to be using Zoom more than once, it's highly recommended that you download. Here on the left corner, we'll go ahead and open it up, and while it downloads, it's going to open up a screen, and then we'll get in depth into the features of Zoom. Join with audio computer, you can test your speaker and your microphone. Here it's going to tell you all the information about the meeting. If you want to invite somebody else, just copy and paste. Here at the bottom left, you can start the video. If you want your face to be shown. You can also mute yourself in case other people are talking. Participants, you can see all the people that are participating in the group. You can also share your screen, which is one of the most helpful tools about Zoom. You can chat while somebody's talking, record what all that's going on in the meeting. Now, if you want to be a host to a meeting, I'm going to go ahead and open it up again. Zoom.com. You're going to do host a meeting with video off. You can do your preference. Now for this, you do have to register. Okay, it's a simple registration. You can sign up free through Google or through Facebook. I'm going to do it through Facebook. And it's going to take me to the home page, and we're going to do host a meeting. And same thing, you should now have Zoom downloaded. I'm going to click that little window, get out of this one, and here, join with computer audio, and here's all the info. If you want to invite somebody, we're just going to copy this URL and paste it to anybody who you want to share it to. If anybody asks for the meeting ID, is this number right here, the 186-586-877, and the password is 785937. With those two numbers, you'll be able to share this meeting and have anybody come into your Zoom room. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys.